So in a previous video I gave a look at an intervalometer, a very rough intervalometer that I made with an ESP8266 with a built-in hotspot and Wi-Fi server or web server for smartphone configuration of time-lapses. So I made a different, tidier version, which basically connects into the camera like this. You can attach it down onto your tripod. It's got an external antenna. Switch it on like that. So once it's switched on, this creates a hotspot with the web server. And once I connect into my hotspot, let me see, settings, Wi-Fi, openlapse. Once I'm connected into the hotspot, then I can browse. Okay, so there's the time-lapse configuration with pulse length, shutter delay, frame count. 3, save, start time-lapse. Make sure the camera is on. And there we go. So start again, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's basically it in a nutshell. But just to give you a closer look of the inside, sorry about the noise. This is a lovely little thing, look at that. Different settings. I really like that. Anyway, that's beside the point. So this is the guts of it. Basically has a switch, the ESP with the little driver board, and standard cable I got off eBay for connecting into the Canon EOS models of cameras, with the 2.5mm jack. And in there at the bottom is a lithium polymer battery. It's a 1200, I think it's a 1200 milliamp hour. So I just made up a little harness for connecting it all together. So, and an external antenna, because the Wemos D1 Mini Pro has an external antenna for extended range. So it just slots in nicely in there. Battery goes in like that. The ESP plugs onto the socket because I've that hot glued in place. Then I've just cut that in the correct shape for it to take the switch. So plug it in like that, and mount it like that. Stuff it in. Put the cover on. And screw everything down. And that's what you end up with, is a nice neat little intervalometer. And bear in mind that this has the hotspot plus all the web pages to allow you to configure the time-lapse settings, the interval between shots, the number of shots and so on. It'll tell you on the iPhone or on the phone, it'll tell you how many shots are left and what time is left based on the interval and so on. So just a neat little version of the other version, which is kind of no comparison really. Okay, cheers, thanks.